With a huge 7.2-inch display, a whopping 10,000 mAh battery, and a 108-megapixel primary camera all packed in to the slim yet rugged form factor, the Oukitel WP60 delivers flagship-level specs in a seriously tough build, so let's check out what this thing can do. Now, the first thing you're going to notice when picking it up is how big it is. It just feels solid, sturdy, and surprisingly slim as well for a rugged phone, coming in at just 14.9mm thick. And because this is built to take a beating, we've got IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistance, plus mil-standard 810H protection for drops and shocks. Now, the reason it's this size is of course the display. It's a 7.2-inch beast, one of the biggest screens I've seen on a rugged phone for a long time, and it's perfect for media. It's a 120Hz panel with a 1560 by 720 resolution, and it's also protected by Gorilla Glass 5, but it's smooth, clear, and a durable display. The punch-hole camera at top center houses a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Then over on the rear, we've got a triple camera setup, so that's a 108-megapixel primary, an 8-megapixel night vision camera, and then a 2-megapixel macro. And then we've also got the LED flash as well, but we'll cover more in the camera samples shortly. Now, they've gone for a futuristic cybermech design, and it really helps the W60 stand out from the usual rugged phone crowd. It's bold without being too over the top, and the mechanical accents give it a premium but tough aesthetic. Now, on the left-hand side, we've also got this smart key, and this acts as a shortcut button. You can customize it for a single press, a double press, or a long press action. So whether you want it to launch your torch, open up the camera, or start any app or setting, it's super handy once you've set it up. Now, under the hood, it's powered up by MediaTek's Dimensity 7025 chipset, and they've paired it with 16GB of RAM and 512GB storage, although there are some smaller configurations available for those that want them, and you can also expand the RAM up to 48GB using virtual memory. Now, for those concerned with synthetic benchmarks, I've ran it through Geekbench 6, where it scores 917 for single core, 2096 for multi-core. Now, it's not built primarily for gaming as it's a rugged phone, but you can absolutely game on it if you want to. So I'm not much of a mobile gamer myself, but I tested this with a couple of games like Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt, and it really is enjoyable to play. It looks great, we've got smooth gameplay thanks to the 120Hz display, and this large screen just makes it really comfortable to hold while gaming and also great for looking at. Now, because of the large screen, it's also great for watching content, whether that's a movie, YouTube, or TikTok or Shorts. We also get a single speaker on the bottom, but it actually gets decently loud, and it's clear for a bit of casual listening, so we'll just check out the sound samples now. When it comes to the cameras, as I said, we've got a 32-megapixel selfie camera on the front. It's using a Sony IMX616, which is a 1/2.74-inch sensor. It's got an aperture of f2.2. Now, you can choose between normal selfie photos, you can turn on the face beauty mode. We've also got the option for portrait photos with the blur, and overall we get some great photos from a rugged smartphone. Then when it comes to video from the selfie camera, we get 1080p at 30 frames a second. So this is a video from the selfie camera. It's 1080p at 30 frames a second. Just do a slow pan around. Nice and overcast today, not too much sun, not too much wind either. We'll just do a bit of a jog forward, but it's a bit awkward because I've got another phone in my pocket and a backpack on. But that's the video from the selfie camera. For the primary camera, it's a 108-megapixel primary camera with an S5K HM6, which is a 1/1.8-inch sensor. It's got an aperture of f1.89, and again, we've got the choice in the camera app to take normal photos. You can choose portrait photos or face beauty photos, and overall, we've got some great photos for a rugged phone. You can see we've got some nice detail and some great dynamic range with plenty of detail in the highlights and the shadows. And of course, we've also got the option to use the macro camera for macro shots, as well as the night vision camera for both photos and videos. When it comes to the normal videos, you can record up to 2K, which is 2560 by 1440, and the maximum frame rate is 30 frames a second across all of the video resolutions. So we'll just check out the video samples now. So this is a video from the primary camera. It's 2K resolution, 30 frames a second. We just do slow pan and a quick pan back. I'm just going to do a bit of a jog forward, see what the stabilization's like. And that's the video you're going to get from the primary camera. Now the phone runs Android 15 out of the box, and it comes with a few pre-installed apps, so we get things like SIM Toolkit, FM radio, hot apps, and the toolbox, which actually includes some handy utilities like a compass, noise meter, and more. And if you don't need them, you can easily remove them or hide them from the home screen. Now you can also tweak the style and animation of your home screens, and first thing I did was bump the display up to 120Hz, as for some reason it defaults to 60, and I also reduced the display size so that I could fit much more content on the screen. Now there's a wallpaper section in settings with live static and custom options. For security, you've got your normal pin pattern, you can do fingerprint unlock or face unlock. With the fingerprint scanner, it's built in to the power button on the side, and it works quickly and responsively. Now powering the phone is a 10,000 mAh battery, and it really is as big as it sounds. Whether you're watching content, gaming, or taking loads of photos and videos, you're not going to be running out of juice anytime soon. Now Oukitel claims around 70 hours of cool time and up to 1,300 hours on standby, which is just a huge amount. And if it does eventually run out and needs topping up, we've got 33-watt fast charging, which fills it up nice and quickly considering the size. For connectivity, we've got dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, plus all of the usual G sensors, proximity sensors, and GPS. When it comes to the unboxing, if we open up the packaging, you can see we first got the WP60 itself. We've got a protective sticker and a screen protector below, but I peeled that off right away as I just don't like to use them. We've then got the manual, the wall charger, and the USB-C cable for charging. So overall, the Oukitel WP60 is a great rugged phone that delivers a huge display and a surprisingly slim form factor for its category. It's great for work, social media, content consumption, or even a bit of casual gaming or filming. And right now, it's available on their official site for $349.99, which is 22% off the regular price of $450. And of course, I've placed the link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out now. And of course, I hope I've covered everything in today's video, but if there is anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, just drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.